All right, here we go. Question number 15 from our 1316 homework number 5 in MyLab Math. And they want us to find the exact value of this composite expression. And again, the first thing I notice here on the inside of the parentheses, I do have an inverse trig function. Remember that an inverse trig function produces an angle. So if we simplify this a little bit, with this coefficient of 2 here, that would simplify to sine of 2 theta. And that makes us think, well, we're going to need to use a double angle formula. So if we go to our formulas, sine of 2 theta is 2 sine theta cosine theta. So this will equal to 2 sine theta cosine theta, where theta is this expression. All of this gets plugged in for theta, okay? So here we go. 2 sine of theta cosine of theta. Whoo, yeah, boy. Now we're cooking with Crisco. So the next step, cosine and inverse cosine, those are going to basically cancel and just leave us the square root of 2 over 2. Remember, this is all multiplication, and multiplication is commutative, so order doesn't matter. So I'm going to bring down the 2, and then I'm going to bring down the square root of 2 over 2, and then this expression, the sine of the inverse cosine of square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so then I'm going to need to figure out what is this angle. And once I figure out that angle, then I'm going to have to figure out, well, what is the sine of that angle? Well, remember, inverse cosine is restricted to angles from 0 to pi, and it is positive in the first quadrant. So we know that this angle is a first quadrant angle, and we know that cosine is x. So that means that the x coordinate at this ordered pair out here, the x coordinate is going to be square root of 2 over 2. Now in the unit circle, the ordered pair that has an x coordinate of square root of 2 over 2 also has a y coordinate of square root of 2 over 2 because that angle is pi over 4. And so remember, I was really interested in sine of theta, which is the y coordinate, which is square root of 2 over 2. And so now this is going to simplify to 2 times square root of 2 over 2 times square root of 2 over 2. And then I can simplify that. 2 over 1, 2's cancel. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4 over 2, which is 2 over 2, which is 1. Man, I think that's the hardest I've ever had to work for an answer of 1. But I feel pretty good about it. You know what would make me feel better? The calculator. Let's check it. Sine of 2 times the inverse cosine of square root of 2 over 2. And I'm going to need double close parentheses. 2 open, 2 close. Oh, yeah. Makes me feel a lot better to verify with the calculator. Good job. And we're done. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.